We, the students of IIT are presenting a course project on electronics. We have prepared this project under the guidance of Ramesh Vaddi sir and with the constant help of Aditya Chapa sir and Anjali ma'am. The topic of our project is Smart Girl Security System. Today in the current global scenario, the prime question in every girl's mind is about her safety and security. Women in India face social changes and often face the abuse and social crimes against her. So this project is designed to serve the purpose of providing security to the girls so that they never feel loneliness when they face such social problems. We have two existing systems which are similar to our project. First one is With You app. It is an initiative taken by a television series Gumrah which is aired on channel V. And the second one is She. This is a project designed by 3 engineers from Chennai.
The main advantage of this system is that the user does not require a smartphone unlike other applications that have been developed earlier. The use of sophisticated components ensures accuracy and makes it reliable. The project suggests a new perspective to use technology to protect women. The proposed system is to design a portable device which resembles a normal bed. It consists of an Arduino board, GSM, GPS module and a flexi force sensor. When the threshold of the pressure sensor crosses, the device will get activated automatically. Immediately, the location of the victim will be tracked with the help of GPS and emergency messages will be sent to the 3 contacts, one to the police control room with the updated locations. The 3 contacts in the police control room who are getting the messages can immediately help the victim and know about the critical conditions of the victim.
Now, let me tell you about a brief.
This is a flexion sensor. It is also known as a bend sensor and measures the amount of
When the substrate is bent, the sensor produces a resistive output correlated to the bend radius, greater the resistance. One of the terminals of the sensor is connected with the analog 0 pin. The bending changes the resistance value and therefore the pin of the Arduino. Here we see the connections of the flexi-force sensor to fade the intensity of an LED. The positive terminal of the flexion sensor is connected to the 5-volt pin of the Arduino. The negative terminal is connected in series with a resistor. And the negative terminal is then connected to the A0 pin of the Arduino. And the other end of the resistor is connected to the ground. Here we see an LED connected in series with a resistor. The positive terminal of the LED, here we see the red wire is connected to the digital 11th pin of the Arduino. And the other end of the resistor is more the substrate of the sensor, the more will be the intensity of the power supply through the power adapter to the GPS plus GSM combined shield. This is the GPS antenna which we connect to the one end of the module. Now this is the GSM antenna which we connect to the other end of the module. Now we place these 2 antennas at some high network zone. Now the TX pin of the module is connected to the 7 of the Arduino board and the RX pin is connected to the 8th pin of the Arduino board. The white wire is grounded and the red wire is connected. The white wire is grounded and the black wire is connected to 5 volts. Now we connect the SIM to the back side of the module.
Now we connect the SIM to the back side of the module. Now after all the connections are made, we connect the Arduino cable to the laptop.
Go.
Now I am going to explain the code for our project. Necessary variables. In this part of the code, we define the conditions for no pressure, light touch, little squeeze, medium squeeze and big squeeze. As soon as the pressure becomes greater than 25, we send a message to the required number. The message is instantly sent, and the location of the a message emergency help is needed at location is sent and the victim's location is also sent to the receiver. Now we compile the code and upload it. 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 The code is successfully compiled and uploaded.
Now let's see how this project works. First we'll give the power supply from the adapter, and as we bend this force sensor, the intensity of the LED will change. As you can see, the intensity of the LED is very high. Now it is decreasing. Now it is not glowing. Now it is increasing. Now as we can see, LED is glowing. Now if we have bent now the LED is glowing. As the radius increases, the intensity is decreasing. Now the LED is not glowing. The radius of the substrate is inversely proportional to the intensity of the LED.
As we will bend the substrate, we have set the range of light squeeze, medium squeeze and big squeeze in the serial monitor. As you can see in the serial monitor, that if we will bend there is no pressure in the sensor. As I will bend the sensor, it will show the medium squeeze, light squeeze and big squeeze.
As we get medium or higher squeeze through the GPS and GSM which starts working, we get the message in the mobile phone. Saying the emergency help is needed and the location of the victim.
As you can see, the message has came from the Arduino,
Which says emergency help is needed and the location of the victim is also in the message.
The receiver of the message would also get a link of the location. Here we can see the location of the victim. And this is the location of the receiver of the message. This shows the shortest route from the victim to the receiver of the message. The minimum time taken would be approximately 37 minutes.
Hello everyone, we are batch 3. I am Nanika from EC branch.
I am Hansa Meghwani.
अरे यार कैसे करते
This was all about our project. The proposed design will deal with the critical issues faced by the women in the near past and will help to solve them with technologically sound equipment and ideas.
Hello everyone, we are batch 3. I am Nanika from EC branch.
I am Hansa Meghwani from CSE branch.
I am Ankita Ishpilya from CSE branch.
I am Shrishti Agrawal from EC branch.
This was all about our project. The proposed design will deal with the critical issues faced by the women in the near past and will help to solve them with technologically sound equipment and ideas.